The Internet of Things, or IoT, is expanding in nearly every industry. In this film, we will look at the benefit of connected products and IoT, and why more and more leading companies and businesses start connecting their products. The main drivers are often to reduce costs, improve operational efficiency, and increase overall customer experience. One of the most important reasons is that companies can reduce costs. With a connected product, troubleshooting can be done remotely, which cuts both labor costs and solves issues quicker. There is also a big cost savings by being able to prevent outages and failures with remote monitoring, indicating where risk is high. But connected products can also help companies to improve operational efficiency. By condition-based monitoring, service can be carried out in the right time and only when needed. Connected products means access to end-user data, which can lead to increased customer experience. Companies can now develop products on real user insights and offer new add-on value services. Another important benefit is that companies can offer faster and more effective customer service based on user data.